Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Rainbow Macarons recipe in Genshin Impact. This delicious dessert offers great utility for your adventures. We'll cover where to purchase it, the cost, and what makes it a must-have for your inventory. Getting this recipe is straightforward once you know the right steps, so let's dive into the details and enhance your culinary collection. To begin, you'll need to make your way to the beautiful region of Fontaine. Once there, head directly to the court of Fontaine, the capital city. Your destination is Hotel Debord, where you'll find an NPC named Sanguinety. Speak with Sanguinety, and you can purchase the Rainbow Macarons recipe from their shop for a modest price of 5,000 mora. It's a simple transaction for a very useful item. Once you have the recipe, you'll need a few common ingredients to start cooking. You'll require 3 bird eggs, 2 units of sugar, 2 almonds, and 1 bull fruit. After successfully preparing the Rainbow Macarons, consuming them will decrease your party's stamina depletion from climbing and sprinting by 15 to 25%. This beneficial effect lasts for a generous 900 seconds, making exploration much easier. Rainbow Macarons are classified as a 3-star adventurer's dish, providing a significant boost to your travel efficiency. Furthermore, this recipe is essential if you wish to cook Navia's unique special dish, titled Pick What You Like. Cooking with Navia gives you a chance to create her signature version. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy adventuring!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.